Numerous studies have established a strong link between red meat consumption and an increased risk of various chronic diseases. The World Health Organization (WHO) has classified processed meats, such as bacon and sausage, as carcinogenic to humans, and red meat as probably carcinogenic. This categorization is based on evidence that consumption of these meats is associated with higher incidences of colorectal cancer. 1. Increased risk of cancer. The World Health Organization (WHO) classifies processed meats as carcinogenic and red meat as probably carcinogenic. Studies have shown that high consumption of red meat is linked to an increased risk of colorectal cancer, as well as pancreatic and prostate cancers. 2. Heart disease. Red meat is high in saturated fats and cholesterol, which can lead to cardiovascular diseases. According to the American Heart Association, diets rich in red meat increase LDL cholesterol, a major risk factor for heart disease and stroke. 3. Type 2 diabetes. High red meat consumption has been associated with an increased risk of developing type 2 diabetes. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that eating red meat increases the risk of diabetes by 19%. 4. Obesity. Red meat is calorie-dense and high in fat, which can contribute to weight gain and obesity. Obesity is a significant risk factor for many chronic diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. 5. Chronic inflammation. Red meat contains compounds like heme iron and advanced glycation end products, AGEs, that can trigger inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to a variety of health issues, including heart disease, cancer, and autoimmune conditions. 6. Gut health. Red meat consumption can negatively impact gut health by promoting the growth of harmful bacteria and reducing beneficial bacteria. A disrupted gut microbiome is linked to various health problems, including inflammatory bowel disease and colorectal cancer. 7. Kidney disease. High intake of red meat has been linked to an increased risk of chronic kidney disease. Red meat consumption can lead to a higher acid load in the body, which can strain the kidneys and impair their function over time. While red meat provides certain nutrients, the potential health risks and broader impacts associated with its consumption present a compelling case for reducing or eliminating it from our diets. By opting for plant-based proteins and other healthier alternatives, we can improve our health, protect the environment, and promote the ethical treatment of animals. Making informed dietary choices today can lead to a healthier, longer, and more sustainable future.